Customer states, just had my brake pads replaced. And I'm getting a squeak from the front. Yeah, does look like you had your brake pads replaced. Look at all the brake dust around the wheel though. And the rotors weren't even cut or replaced. Let's get this wheel off, get a better look. I mean, yeah, they did use Ford pads, but look at all the dirt they left on it. It's like all the brake dust from the old pads. They didn't even clean the crap. Use the same rotors, just pad slapped it. Same on this side. Dirty as crap. Didn't even clean it. Let me guess. Oh yeah, well, I found a place that does it cheaper. They're only gonna charge me $50 to do my brakes. Yeah, you got your $50 worth, all right. It's only worth your safety, that's all. And you could tell that they reused the same caliper bracket bolts. Those are supposed to be replaced. One-time use. I'm gonna put them on some rotors, or if you want to have them cut, whatever, doesn't matter to me. I don't know, I just look at it this way. Brakes are a very important safety component, and I believe that they should be cleaned. I mean, if they're not cleaning it, you know, your pads could get contaminated. Your calipers should be moving freely. You don't want to have an emergency event where you have to stop, and because they're dirty or they're not moving freely, they're not going to brake correctly. And who's riding with you? Your kids, your family, yourself. I mean, you got to think about it. Brakes are very important. And you should see and be careful who you have replaced them. Just because it's cheap doesn't mean they're doing a good job.